Hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So most welcome in my day 29 English speaking practicing video. So guys, this video also English speaking practicing video and also English challenging video, because before some days ago I just promised on myself that I have to make video, I have to practice every day, like day 1, day 2, day 3, and it is a 29 English speaking practicing video, means today the number of day 29. So it is really good because I have a plan, I have a goal that I have to practice my English every day. So you should to try like that things, you should to take some risks to practicing your English, and if you will take like that things, then definitely your English will be good, because if you will practice your English every day, then definitely your English will be good. And this is a thing that uh, by this thing you can improve your English very nicely and also consistently. And sometime I get demotivate, and that time I feel that no, today I will not make video. But sometime I think that if today I will not make a video, then how can I improve my English? So today I just came here and I have no topic, but I have to speak in English. So that's the reason to improving my English. And I am improving my English little bit, and you can see nowadays I can speak in English little bit than before. Videos you can get to watch on my previous video. That time I was just speaking slowly. Sometimes I face many problems of grammars and vocabularies. Sometimes I know that grammar is really important, but most important is how much you are speaking, how much you are excited for speaking. This is the reason, and like that way you can also improve your English. Just I am doing like that thing. So guys, keep supporting me, because I am an content creator. I try to create every day related English video. So please support me, and also subscribe my YouTube channel English Boost Biswajit. So guys, it's really a good evening time and I am here. You can see in my behind side there are some cows are eating grass very nicely, and also enjoyment, with enjoyment you can say. And it's evening time and I came here there to practicing my English. Sometime I, as I said you, sometime I get demotivated, and sometime I get motivated to practicing my English. So just like that way I want to improve my English. So goodbye, have a nice day. Let's meet with you in my new another video. And if you want like that videos, then please subscribe my YouTube channel English Boost Biswajit. So have a nice day.